Oh no! The minions are on the loose! You can use your fart gun air cannon to take them out. Just pull back, take careful aim, and fire a big blast of air to send the targets flying. You can even create targets of your own and shoot big balls of air across the room. Acquire your target, take aim, and fire fast. Knock down your target with a big blast with the Fart Gun Air Cannon. Comes with Fart Gun Air Cannon and 3 minion targets.
Despicable Me! See all your faves from the Despicable Me universe like never before. You can collect all 75. Will you find the ultra-rare Unigoat? Despicable Me minis, since each sold separately.
Hello.
Introducing the Despicable Me 2 Deluxe Action Figures. More minions, more despicable. You can build a minion disguise with Baby Carl, fire Stuart's Fart Blaster, and Dave's Rocket Launcher. They're despicable. Come on, Gru, get the minions under control. Let the real water fly with your H2O shooter. The Despicable Me 2 Deluxe Action Figures. Available right now at Smith's Toy Superstores.
Hello.
Introducing the Despicable Me 2 talking action figures. Move their head and they react with real movie sounds and special features. Feed Dave. But watch out, Stuart's full of laughs.
The Despicable Me 2 talking action figures. Available right now at Smith's Toy Superstores.
New Go-Gurt tubes have color-changing Despicable Me 2 minions. You can get color-changing tubes only with Go-Gurt and see Despicable Me 2 in theaters. Go-Gurt! Slurp till it's flat!
Go, go, go!
Llegaron los Minions a tu cajita feliz con 14 ruidosos juguetes.
New from Megablocks and the Minions movie. From cavemen to pirates, there have been minions to build since the beginning of time. Customize them for endless despicable adventures. No two minions are the same. You can collect them all. Megablocks figures and multi-packs each sold separately.
Have you ever seen minions fly? Well, now they can! Minions Flying Heroes are lots of fun for everyone!
Awesome!
Launch the minions into the sky! Just pull the cord to see how high!
Wow!
Watch them soar into the blue! You can even play with them inside, too!